Can you read what that is?
That would say normie.
Do you know what a normie is?
Basic, maybe, you know?
Okay. So a normie, slang for a normal person.
Okay.
Especially someone seen to have conventional, mainstream tastes, interests, viewpoints.
Okay.
I have brought a specimen for you.
What do you call it? You call me a normie?
Blake,
Huh.
when is the Super Bowl happening?
Super Bowl is going to be next
Class,
Sunday.
students, behold. Who's playing?
We got the Philadelphia Eagles versus the Kansas City Chiefs. So it's gonna be a good one, man. Monday I got the.
Dear
I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna watch it. I'm.
Blake, come up here. Observe the demeanor. What's the last movie you watched?
Last movie I watched. Let me think. On the spot. Watched the new Black Panther, man.
Dear
Wakanda
God.
Forever, dude. It was a great movie. Great cinematography.
Marvel.
Yeah, super impressed with it, man. I think they did a great job. Really couldn't say anything good.
Take a seat, Blake.
All right.
So, that's okay. That's okay. What would a school be if I expected every student that walks through these doors to know it all? We have a little bit of a test. Blake, do you know what anime is?
Yes, I do know what anime is. Correct. Yep.
What's your favorite anime?
On top of my head, Demon Slayer, man. Love Demon Slayer. Love Tanjiro. Nezuko, right? Zenitsu. Am I right? No?
Blake, we're gonna test you.
Okay.
Okay. Oh shit. Oh crap.
Gotta pick it up. Gotta pick it up.
Why are you smiling, boy? Why are you smiling so
Sorry,
much?
Professor. Well,
It's eager, yeah.
I'm not smiling no more.
What was that?
Nothing. Nothing.
Do you know who this is, Blake?
I couldn't even guess what show that's from. No, I have no idea.
All right, Blake. Your options. A, C, B, D, C, Z, or D, L.
Okay, so right on the top of my head, the first thing that sticks out to me is Z. I think Z would be a great name. Just calling someone Z. You know, you're not calling anyone D, C, even L. You know, like I feel like those aren't great nicknames.
So you're pretty confident.
Pretty confident on this one. It just
C.
sticks out the most. Let me think. I don't want to jump the boat too much.
Okay, all right.
But like, okay, there is sometimes where you call someone D though. You know, D. C though, no one's calling anyone
No
C.
one's calling anyone
so
C.
Get rid of C.
We'll get rid of C.
Get rid of C. Yeah, just get that out of the way. No one calls anyone L.
Right.
You know, unless this guy's a loser, maybe. He doesn't look like one, right?
Well, I don't know. Not too sure.
Doesn't look like. I wouldn't mess with him. You know, like
Me either.
I wouldn't mess with him.
Look at his eyes.
Looks quite scary, man. So I would get rid of D.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're left with B, D, or C, Z.
Get rid of B, which was D. And my final answer is going to be C, Z.
Final answer, C,
Final answer.
Z.
Yep.
Blake, you are incorrect.
Dude, come on, dude, come on.
The correct answer is in fact L.
Oh my God.
That is L. From the hit show.
Naruto?
One more, guess.
My Hero.
Death Note. You ever heard of Death Note?
I've heard of it, dude. I've
Heard of
heard
Death
of it.
Note?
I've heard of it. Yes, I have.
All right, Blake. Which one of these is Goku?
I mean, the third one. It's got to be the third one.
Incorrect. Come to the board. Maybe you're not getting a good look.
I know Goku's got black hair.
Uh-huh.
Unfortunately, they all three have black hair.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it can't be A. It can't be C. It's got to be B, right? Unless it's a
Blake.
trick question.
It's a trick question. None of these are Goku.
Unbelievable.
This is Bardock, Goku's father.
That's why they look alike, huh?
This is Goten,
Goten, never would have gotten
Goku's
that.
son.
What? And this is?
This is Zamasu, Goku's evil doppelganger.
Oh, don't add a fifth one for me. Don't do it. Don't do it.
You know what, Blake? We'll make it extra easy.
Don't do it to me.
We won't add a fifth option.
Oh, thank you, Professor. Thank you.
If you can tell me who this character's name is that we literally just went over and I told you, if you can tell me this character's name right now that we already went over, I will take away the fifth option.
It's Deku's father.
no, but
Deku's cousin?
Who's this character? What's his name? I said it. You know what? Forget the name. You're not even getting that description correct. Whose father is this?
Deku's.
No, it's Goku's father.
Goku, dear God.
We're adding a fifth option.
Oh.
I don't often send students to the principal's office, but I don't know what to really do with you at this point. Principal Puppet, can you hear me?
Oh, yep. I'm here. Hello, everyone. It's me, Principal Puppet. Hi.
Oh, Principal, I wouldn't sound so jovial right now. I don't mean to ruin your mood, but unfortunately, I'm going to have to send Blake over here, one of my students, to the principal's office.
It's good to see you.
Good to see you.
Give you a handshake.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Okay,
good to
okay.
see you, man.
All right, Blake, so tell me what's wrong. Huh?
So I haven't been doing that great in class, and even when he tells me the answers, I tend to forget them really quickly.
Can you lean closer?
Yeah. I'm just trying to not get too close to
Yeah.
you, dude.
No, it's okay.
Okay.
Come here.
Okay.
Come here.
Okay.
Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Okay. Okay. You're gonna do fine. I can, I can, give me another kiss. Okay. You know, I think we can, arrange some stuff.
Okay.
You know.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Don't worry about
Thanks. Yeah, I need.
it. Honestly, I mean, don't tell anyone this.
Huh.
I used to be a normie myself.
Really?
Yes. And you know what I did?
What'd you do?
I just watched anime. And I read manga. Now get out there. Get out there.
Well, thank you, Principal Puppet, for joining us today, and I hope to see you soon.
Yes.
It's good to have you.
Yes.
Good to have you.
And come here.
Please let go.
Come here. We gotta do our
You're
thing.
strong for a puppet.
Come here. All right.
It's good to have you here.
Yes. That was nice.
Principal.
That was nice.
Thank you for coming.
Of course. All right, everyone. Goodbye.
Do you remember, Blake, what the homework was?
What is your favorite waifu?
Blake, do you know what a waifu is?
A hot wife.
Kinda.
Okay, half a point.
Kinda.
Half a point.
Let me ask you this. Are there fictional characters, usually anime, video games, that you really like?
Yeah, for sure.
That are appeal to you?
Attractive?
Attractive.
Of course. Of course.
At the most baseline, it's just like a fictional, and I think that's the key. It's like usually a fictional character, usually from anime, that you want to
Okay, yeah.
I think it's time to see if you have a grasp on what it really means to have a waifu. So we're gonna take a look at these Discord submissions. Jack from Beastars. Look at this slutty ass pose he's doing. Only sluts pose like this.
Dude, is that a dog? Yeah, that is a dog, isn't it?
Dr. Hakase.
Professor.
Doctor.
Blake.
Dude, so good to see you, man.
Nice to see you.
All right, moving on.
Dude, that's a baddie you're about to Jeez. We can just say, that passed right away. Don't even care if she's bad, stupid, whatever.
Megumin from Konosuba. I'm familiar.
Isn't she like 12 or something?
I don't know. Why are you keeping track of that? Now that's kind of weird.
What are you talking about?
See,
No, she's underage,
what's
bro.
weird?
Is her personality and her design.
She's in a fantastical world. She's 1,000 years old, like from the elder tree. It would still be a no.
So, are you saying age? Who cares right now?
Whoa!
That's
not what I'm saying.
No, don't.
That's not what I'm saying at all.
Don't misinterpret my words.